You have hundreds of existing machines with control systems of varying types and vintages at multiple manufacturing plants purchased over many years. You also have no central database tracking exactly what systems are on the plant floor or what has changed over time. Your first step in securing your plant floor from cybercriminals should be doing a complete and accurate inventory of all your PC-based devices, then moving to other devices like PLCs. Some plants prefer to start with a manual process, but most eventually move to automated tools to improve the efficiency and accuracy of asset inventory collection. Once an inventory is created, the assets identified may be categorized and analyzed further. This information will allow you to better understand the scope of the management challenge and evaluate the security risk of your plant production assets by device category. Finally, you can develop risk reduction plans around these categories and prioritize their implementation on the plant floor. As part of our OT ICS cybersecurity services, Sandalwood has completed over 90 plant inventories with over 25,000 devices across 5 continents, providing an accurate survey of what types of devices exist in each plant, how many of these devices exist, what network architecture they are connected to, what versions of similar devices exist, and what function these devices serve. We can do the same for your organization. Contact us today to get started.